So in this video, we're going to walk through the steps of clearing the plist for both Camtasia and Snagit. The steps are almost identical, so we're just going to do them both in the same video. And there's really not a whole lot to this. The first thing we're going to want to do is completely close Snagit. If you have it in this dock down at the bottom, you can just right-click it and choose to quit it. I just quit a random app here just to show you what that process looks like. Once the editor is closed, however, we're still going to need to come up here to the Snagit icon in the top. We're going to need to click that, click this little cog here, and then click quit. And with both of those things gone, Snagit is completely closed. If you're doing this for Camtasia, you would just make sure that Camtasia was closed. I'm using Camtasia to record right now, so I'm not going to do so. So once our application is closed, we're going to click on Finder, and specifically we're going to click on Go to Folder. I'm right-clicking the icon and choosing to go to folder. If you open Finder up here in the top right, you would also be able to choose to go to folder. I'm just going to do it here. So I'll click Go to Folder, and it's going to give me this search, and we are just going to type in a little squiggly /library/preferences, and then we are going to hit enter. And this is going to take us to this folder with a bunch of plist files in here. And we are looking for the com.techsmith section. It's usually at the very bottom here. Depending on how many apps you've got, it might be a little higher up, might be a little lower, but you're looking for com.techsmith, and you can see I've got a ton. Every instance of our applications is going to have a separate plist. So you can see I've got from 2019 all the way to 2022. So let's say that we were doing this for Snagit 2021. We would want to delete this capture helper 2021 plist first. Then you can see there's also a Snagit 2021 plist file that we're going to remove. And there's even a third one for Snagit 2021 here, the Snagit recorder plist. So delete that as well. That's the process that you want to follow for whatever application version that you're removing. You want to get every plist file that references that specific version that you're working with or using. Once you do that, then you're just going to go ahead and restart your computer and open the application, and that will rebuild the plist files and hopefully remove whatever issue you were seeing.